Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to learn about lazy properties in Kotlin. So lazy properties are a way to create an object for the first time it is accessed. Then we can use the stored value every time you access that variable. That's simple. Let's have some list here. And in this list, you can create it not to the equal, but the by for delegation purposes. So we are delegating the creation part for the lazy. We use the lazy block here or the lazy property. In the lazy block, you can do a whole process in order to create your object. We use it a lot for some kind of heavy initialization such as database and something else. Now here, let's create some simple list. Let's create a file called data and let's create just some range from 1 to 100. Let's just filter out for only the even values like that, and let's multiply it by 10 with the map field. And now I will print something that we will use to understand the lazy thing. So here we will do something like the following. We will print list was initialized to see that if we call this twice or only once when we access the variable 2 times. And then at the end, we will return that data. Last line here is for the return. So this list will contain the data, only the even values from 1 to 100 multiplied by 3. Next, we will try to call it from here. Let's have some space. Here I will print some list. This is the first time you're accessing this variable. So this initialization should happen. Then I will do a delay. Let's add suspend keyword here. I will add a delay for 3 seconds right here. Then we will access it again. Now, the second time, we should not see that. We will get the same result, of course, but we should reuse the existing stored value. So let's run that. Here we go. List was initialized. After 3 seconds, exactly, we have the second value. As you can see, here is the first one. And here is the second one without list was initialized. That's the main thing about lazy thing. Now, there is another option that you can configure this lazy thing, which is for thread safety. If you don't know what is thread safety, check it online for thread safety and learn about race conditions and so on. But here you can confirm it because sometimes we have multiple threads accessing the same lazy property. By default, the thread safety measure used here or the mode is synchronized. So you can configure it like the following. You add here some parentheses like that, and you add lazy thread safety mode. The default one is synchronized. You can use also publication and no thread safety at all. So this synchronized mode is, as you can guess, if you learn about thread safety, you will learn about what is this synchronized mean. So it ensures that only a single thread can initialize the lazy instance. After that, everyone can access it. On the other hand, publication mode allows several thread or concurrent access to uninitialized lazy instance value, but the only first value returned will be used as the value of the lazy instance. So this is the difference. And this one, the none mode, use no synchronized access. So the result of this lazy block is undefined and unpredictable. So by default, you can use that synchronized block, but under some circumstances, I don't know if you have use case for this publication or not, you can use it. So you know that you have this option available. Last thing I want to mention about lazy property is that it is immutable. Once it is initialized, you can't change it. Okay, so you can't use var here. We can't do that because lazy property has no set value thing. Okay, so make sure that this is always immutable lazy block. This is it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I'm sorry if my voice is being awkward. Thanks a lot and have a great day. Assalamu alaikum.